In a forgotten age, in a kingdom wrapped in gold and silk, there lived a king who believed anything could be shaped, even nature itself.
I can train anything. Even a mere cat can be taught discipline. Watch. This humble creature will soon learn to serve a purpose. No, you must learn. For weeks the king tried and failed, for the cat preferred mice and milk more than discipline and lamps.
Night after night.
2 years passed, and the king finally believed he had conquered nature itself. Behold, 2 years of training. My cat sits perfectly still with a lamp on its head. Discipline, education.
Incredible! This cat is wiser than most men.
Only one man stays skeptical, Minister Rashid, sharp-eyed, calm.
You see, my friend, even nature bends to patience.
My king, education without true guidance is fragile, like a pot made from loose clay.
Nonsense. This cat is transformed.
Then let us test your cat, a true test.
What test?
The test of instinct. Nature hides beneath the surface, waiting.
Look at you, still, disciplined, a symbol of my triumph.
A soft knock. The minister enters quietly.
As promised, my king.
Stop! My documents! Oh, my documents!
My king, your 2 years of training vanish in one moment.
Servants rush with buckets to extinguish the fire. The king stands, shoulders slumped, staring at the smoke rising from the chamber. The cat sits at the corner, licking its paws, completely unconcerned. And the king realized patience alone cannot reshape nature, a lesson learned through fire and ashes.
Knowledge without roots, discipline without wisdom, training without a true mentor are nothing but fragile shadows.
The king and the minister sit together, the once proud king now humble.
I must ask, Rashid, why did the cat fail so easily?
Because, my king, training changes habits, but education changes the nature.
And this cat?
He learned to sit still, but inside he remained a hunter. Just like men without real upbringing. They may act wise for a moment, but when tested, the reality returns instantly.
The king shuts his eyes, absorbing the painful truth.
Maybe I expected too much from a creature meant to chase.
That is the wisdom of life. Do not expect the fruit of roses from a thorn bush.
The king nods.
A cat, trained for years, returned to its instinct in a moment. So do men without proper guidance, true mentors, and deep upbringing. Their words cannot be trusted. Their actions cannot be relied upon.